Today I'm going to make my most favorite shrimp recipe. It was introduced to me by my brother last summer, and ever since I've been making this every 2 weeks without fail. To make this, you need 15 to 20 pieces of frozen shrimp, or you can use fresh shrimp, and this is with the tail peeled off. 3 to 4 dried red chilies, you can also use red chili flakes. 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander. 4 big cloves of garlic, finely chopped or minced. Juice of 1 big lemon. 4 to 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Black pepper to taste, and of course some salt. Take a mixing bowl and we will add all the ingredients in it except for the shrimp. Break the red chilies into small pieces. Add some pepper and salt to taste. Now mix it all well together. Next, let's add all the shrimp and give it a good mix. Coat it well with this marinade. Allow this to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 45 minutes before you cook this. Do not marinate over 2 hours because the lemon tends to cook the shrimp. We don't want that. So now I'm just gonna cover this and refrigerate it for 45 minutes. So now it's time to cook our shrimp. Preheat the pan and ensure that some smoke starts coming out of it before you pour the marinated shrimp. This is how the marinated shrimp will look. I've marinated this for 45 minutes. As the pan starts to heat, add some olive oil. The pan is all heated and I can see some smoke coming out. This is the right time to add your shrimp. Increase the flame and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on one side and then quickly turn the shrimp. Flip the shrimp and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep cooking on high flame and flipping it. The shrimp will cook very quick. This whole thing should not take more than 7 to 8 minutes. As you can see, the size of the shrimp has literally become half and it's mostly whitish. So this means it's all cooked. Ready to transfer in a bowl. As you can see, the shrimp is all ready. You can enjoy the shrimp with a side of toasted bread.